Welcome to our tutorial on the Wells Fargo mobile app. Today, we'll explore its key features and how to navigate through them efficiently. Let's start at the home screen. Here, you can see your account balances, quick links for payments, and other useful features at a glance. To check your account details, simply tap on the Account Overview section. This gives you access to your balances and recent transactions. Now, let's learn how to make payments. In a few simple taps, you can pay your bills or transfer money between accounts. Stay informed by setting up alerts. You can manage notifications for transactions and account updates in the Settings menu. Your account's security is very important. Ensure you have a strong password and consider enabling biometrics for an extra layer of protection. If your card is lost or stolen, report it immediately through the app. It's quick and ensures your account stays safe. Need cash? Use the ATM locator feature to find Wells Fargo ATMs near you, making banking easier wherever you are. Should you need help, the customer support section offers FAQs and contact options for assistance directly within the app. Thank you for joining our tutorial. We hope you explore and utilize the Wells Fargo mobile app's features for a seamless banking experience.